Today we will be discussing the concept of Chol HaMoed, when it occurs, its purpose, and its laws. There are two long Chagim, or holidays, in the Jewish year, Sukkot and Pesach, which is more commonly referred to as Passover. Pesach is 8 days long outside of Israel, and Sukkot is 7 days long, plus 1 day of Shemini Atzeret, which is a one-day holiday that follows Sukkot. Pesach and Sukkot are structured very similarly, with 1 or 2 days, depending on whether you live in Israel or not, of Yom Tov at the beginning of the holiday, and 1 to 2 days in the end. The laws of Yom Tov, which literally means good day, are very similar to the laws of Shabbat, with a few notable exceptions, which we will discuss later. Between the two beginning and ending days of Yom Tov, there are 4 days of Chol HaMoed. Chol HaMoed is part of the holiday, and its main purpose is for us to enjoy the holiday and use the extra days to grow spiritually. To make the most of Chol HaMoed and fully enjoy its special atmosphere, there are certain activities that we should avoid doing. By taking care of these tasks before the holiday begins, we can relax and fully immerse ourselves in the festivities without any worries or distractions. This way, we can truly appreciate the meaning and importance of the holiday. It is therefore strongly recommended to avoid working during these intermediate days if you are able to. You are allowed to work to avoid a monetary loss, and you are allowed to drive on these intermediate days, but it is best to refrain if possible. If the result of this work will enhance the celebration of the festival, it is allowed. Certain activities such as cutting hair are completely prohibited during Chol HaMoed for both men and women, but there is a leniency for children. Men are also not allowed to shave during these days. These rules were instituted to ensure that people look their best and are well prepared for the start of the holiday. If haircuts were allowed during Chol HaMoed, then people would push it off till Chol HaMoed, resulting in an unclean and untidy appearance at the start of the holiday. One may also not launder clothes for their household during the festival for the same reason, so the laundering is done beforehand and everything is clean and ready for the holiday. However, it is permissible to launder the clothing of small children and babies, since they are constantly getting themselves dirty. Ironing is also allowed during Chol HaMoed. A person may also work to prepare the food for the holiday on Chol HaMoed, as that will enhance the celebration of the festival. Generally, it is forbidden to have a wedding on Chol HaMoed because the celebration of the festival is neglected in favor of celebrating the marriage. On the flip side, it is also forbidden to deliver a eulogy or publicly mourn on Chol HaMoed, because both men and women are obligated to be joyous during the festival. Of course, the burial itself still occurs on Chol HaMoed. To summarize, a person should not do things that can be done before or after the holiday, and everyone should try to focus on the sanctity of those days and enjoy it with happiness. And lastly, work may be done if it is to prevent a loss, or if it will result in enhancing the festival. Thank you all for listening about Chol HaMoed, its occurrence, and its purpose. We wish you all a great and joyful holiday.